Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting the app microphone access and selecting where files will save. Once done, verify available storage so recordings don't stop unexpectedly. Then open the voice recorder and pick a sample rate or quality preset. Higher rates use more space but improve clarity. Tap record to begin capturing audio and speak at normal volume. Make sure your mic isn't covered and hold the device steady. This first step gets you recording immediately and avoids basic failures later in the workflow. You control the session by using pause to temporarily halt without creating separate files, and stop when finished to finalize the track. Once recording, watch the input meter. Keep peaks out of the red to prevent clipping and loss of detail. If the app offers gain or limiter controls, adjust them now. Lower gain for loud sources, and raise it for quiet ones. Also enable built-in noise reduction if you need cleaner background, but avoid overprocessing, which can sound unnatural. You finish by saving the file with a descriptive name and optional tags so you can find it later. Then export in the format you need. Choose WAV for editing fidelity or MP3 at 128/320 kbps for sharing versus smaller file size. Make sure to back up important recordings to cloud or external storage. If something goes wrong, try re-importing the session, check temporary folders, or use the app's recovery tool. This troubleshooting tip often retrieves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.